So today we will talk about the NASA IXPE mission. Remember that it is a imaging X-ray polarimetry mission. Remember that, and it is basically an observatory mission, and it is very important in the light of the which will launch in December 2021 James Webb Space Telescope. So this is what is the main purpose. We will talk about what is the instrument which is carrying by the IXPE mission. So let's talk about if we talk about. So remember that it will be launched on December 9, and remember that on December 2020 there will be a James Webb Space Telescope will be launched by the NASA. Remember that, and NASA launched a new mission, basically a imaging X-ray polarimetry mission. So remember that. About if you talk about, then remember that it is a observatory. Remember that it is a observatory and a joint effort of the NASA and the Italian Space Agency. So it is not alone NASA is involved, but also the Italian Space Agency is also involved if you talk about. Then remember that it will be launched from the Falcon 9 rocket. This is the very important rocket and famous rocket, and it was sent to its orbit from the NASA Kennedy Space Center, which is situated in the Florida, United States of America. If we talk about, then remember that there will be a mission. Primary length is 2 years, means if there is a on December 9 2021, then there will be a mission period is December 9 2023. So there it will be a 2 years mission. And remember that observatory will be at 600 kilometer altitude from the earth if you talk about, orbiting around the earth's equator. So this is very important and basic information related to the IXPE mission. Now if we talk about the what is the main purpose, remember that to study the most extreme and mysterious universe in the objects like the supernova, supermassive black holes and other high energy, basically the celestial objects, and there will be a no such finding regard to that. So this is the very important. If we talk about the James Webb Space Telescope, there are the similar objectives related to the James Webb Space Telescope, and we will also talk about the and search about the, and there will be a deep study related to the universe. So there will be a similar mission if you talk about. So this is the smaller mission, basically at 600 kilometer, and that will be might the 35,000 kilometer away from the earth if you talk about. If you further talk about the NASA IXPE mission, if you talk about, it is basically whatever is the exploding universe around us. So this is the main job of finding that exploding universe. So this is the main job. If we talk about the importance, then remember that IXPE actually polarization measurement will help scientists to answer if you talk about. Then remember that how do actually the black hole spin. What is the black holes if you talk about, then remember that light cannot escape from this. So if there is a no light can escape, that is the black hole, and there obviously a research is going on, and the main job of the black holes, why they are finding to detect the gravitational wave. So this is the black holes if we talk about. Then remember that, and it will also find that was the black holes at the center of the Milky Way if we talk about. So this is under the IXPE mission. If we talk about how do actually the pulsar shine so brightly in the X-ray observatory is the another job if we talk about. Then remember that what powers actually the jet of energetic particles that are ejected from the region around the black hole at the center of the galaxy is also the main job if you talk about. Then remember that. So what are the actually the instruments is carrying? Then remember that there are the 3 identical telescope is carrying by the IXPE mission if you talk about. There will be a 1 lightweight X-ray, and if you talk about 1 detector unit actually it is carrying, and basically actually how actually inner light is working. If there is any black hole, so there is a inner light in the galaxies like Milky Way, so there is the inner light. Actually how that inner light actually works, this is the main job of this 1 light X-ray observatory and the 1 detector unit. So it will detect, and this will come in the detector unit, and there will be a transfer of data from the space to the actually whatever is the agency. So remember that if you talk about, the mission will complement the other X-ray observatory like the Chandra X-ray and European Agency. If you talk about European Space Agency X-ray and the XMW Newton Observatory. So it will all complement other 3 other X-ray observatory already in space if you talk about. So this is all about the NASA mission, IXPE mission if you talk about. Main job is to basically related to the finding or study about the universe, and main importance belongs to the black holes, and obviously there are some other high energy like 40 celestial objects. There will be a finding related to that. So thank you guys, hope you will like this video.